Today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, today is one of the most exciting days for the Bitcoin price, even though the price is boring AF. I wanna tell you how one specific event, which is happening approximately once a year, will occur tomorrow. It will shake the markets as the markets have not been shaking for a very long time. I want to talk about whether we can expect price action towards the upside or towards the downside. There is also a new pattern, a new share. Guys, this pattern I want to talk about for Bitcoin. Make sure you stick here until the very end because I will be talking about what expectations I am having for Bitcoin. And of course, I want to talk about these breaking news here of Michael Saylor buying not $100 million, not 200, not 300, not 400, almost 500 million US dollars in cash of Bitcoin. Now he is one of the biggest holders in the world. Almost as big as Coinbase, guys. This is getting serious. And I can tell you something, guys. This is certainly an episode you do not want to be missing out on. When the price is getting boring, when the price is consolidating towards sideways, this is the moment we want to get very, very, very vigilant. Exactly in the moment, actually one day before a specific event is occurring. Watch this video until the very end. Smash up the like button. And I saw yesterday a few angry people in the comment section. I can understand that. And I'm also not perfect. I didn't phrase it correctly. Yesterday we broke down. And of course I didn't predict this breakdown. Obviously not, guys. But what I was telling you is if we are not breaking back above the resistance, it can get bloody for Bitcoin. And this is what a professional trader is doing. We are providing you with two scenarios. I can tell you which scenario is more likely. But the most important thing is that we get a framework where we know when A happens, we do A. When B happens, we do B. And that way we are always prepared for both scenarios. This is truly the magic here. It doesn't matter, guys, if we are right 60% of the times. How about acting correctly 100% of the times? This is what it's about at MMCrypto. Go down below, smash up the subscription button, and now let's get straight into it. I wanted to talk about, first of all, on the 4-hourly. Then I go with you to the daily, and then I go with you to the weekly. I can promise you something, guys. If you click today's video, TA-wise, you are in for a treat. What you can see here, Bitcoin is consolidating. I mean, we also have some kind of hidden symmetrical triangle there, which faked out and then broke out and like just completely fucked with everyone here. But the most important thing is we have this descending triangle, which is obviously a very bearish pattern, right? No way around it. We have multiple touch points, 5 or 6 or so on the upside. We have 4 touch points already on the downside. And Bitcoin, this is interesting. After we were breaking below and not going above the important resistance I mentioned yesterday, we were breaking down. And guess what? Exactly into my buying zone. This is my Elon Musk, so-called Elon Musk buying zone. And Bitcoin was dipping below, bouncing from there. And now, of course, the question is, how long can we remain in that pattern? Will we eventually break out or break down? Honestly speaking, bearishly leading into it, being trapped in a bearish pattern, obviously, from a probability standpoint, the likelihood is much higher to break towards the downside than towards the upside. But this is where the trader's mindset is coming into place. We want to be prepared for both scenarios. So this is what I'm doing here. But please, guys, stick here with me on the daily and weekly candles. This is the real deal. This is what you want to be prepared for. This here is just like a little bit of price action, right? A little bit of trading, intraday trading, intra-week, whatever. Like, this is not that important. It's still important, but not that important. Not just for trading. If we were to break out within the next 2 days, approximately 45,000 US dollars. If we were to break down, no matter when, the price target will be same because of horizontal support, and we would be looking at 21,500 US dollars. But now, guys, this is what I've been talking about. Let me go to the daily candles before. And please, guys, bear here with me. The daily candles and the weekly candles, both giving us a very clear picture as to what we have to expect for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. On the daily candles, first of all, by the way, I am here in Ukraine. I want to show you the beautiful view, like completely underrated country. Let me show you this. Very amazing. Can you even see it? Like, there's a beautiful lake here. There's even some sand in the background where people are hanging out. Very, very beautiful, very, very vibrant city, beautiful food, and yeah, nice people. Anyways, so the daily candle is showing us actually one signal, and probably many of you heard about it, which is flashing basically once a year approximately, and it's called the death cross, right? And every one of you watching, like most of you watching probably, and I would do that as well if I would not have studied it in the charts, are expecting when the death cross occurs, this is a bearish event for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. However, what if I told you that we can actually expect the exact opposite of that, at least in the immediate short term? Let me go to the daily before I'm going over to the weekly candles. So we are here on the daily candles, and I want to show you the 50-day moving average, the orange one, and the 200-day moving average. And as you can see, we don't have to be an expert for that. You can see they are going to cross. If Bitcoin is not pumping 20,000 US dollars today, they are going to cross. And well, many people expect a massive breakdown in the moment they cross. And of course it's possible. But well, let's talk probabilities once again. And let's zoom out a little bit and see what happened in the last death crosses. Here it looks like, wow, this death cross was a very bearish event, right? No, guys. What we can see, if I'm taking out a vertical line here, that in the moment the death cross happened, we actually already bottomed out. So the death cross was actually some kind of buy the news event, a bearish event, which is bought up by the market in the moment it is happening, and ex ante actually already bearishly anticipated. Here you can see it, the death cross actually being a buying indicator, afterwards the price just doing nothing but pumping up. Let's look at the next one. So let me take the vertical line here once again. Sorry guys, just someone called me. I have to cut that out. People keep calling me even though I'm telling them if you call me you get blocked. Weird. Anyways, let's go. Let's continue here with the chart. So you can see here the previous one in November 2019. In the moment the death cross happened, what happened afterwards? I mean, Bitcoin basically bottomed out, at least for the matter of the next 2 weeks. We are here on the daily candles. Let's go to the next one. And I could go back years in time. This was a golden cross. I can show you the next death cross. It happened actually here. And this was in the middle of the bear market. And even in the middle of the bear market, the other ones were even long-term buying indicators. Even in the middle of the bear market, we have had temporarily bottomed out. So whoever sold the death cross here in this moment experienced a 55% pump afterwards, even in the middle of the bear market. The death cross, for me, the bullish cross, the golden cross, is always a bullish indication. Much more often than not. Actually, almost always. The death cross, however, is so far never an immediate sell signal. This is why I just want to tell you, of course it's possible once it happens tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we are going to dump down. It's just very, very unlikely from a probability standpoint. What I would be personally doing is standing on the sidelines and let the market do whatever it wants. It's not really the moment to take action right now. This about the daily candles, this my warning on the daily candles. Something else I want to show you is on the weekly candles, because so far, on the daily, we are bearish. On the 4-hourly, we are bearish. On the hourly, we are bearish everywhere. But we are not bearish on the weekly. If I am taking on the weekly candles the EMA ribbon out here, let me zoom out a little bit. Then you can see on the weekly candles, we are still holding the EMA ribbon. I have to admit, it doesn't look perfect, but we are still holding it. It is in perfect confluence with my Elon Musk buying zone right here. As long as Bitcoin is above the weekly ribbon, we are bullish on the weekly. We are in a bull market on the weekly. Do I like that we are here below the 21-week EMA? No, of course not. And this is always something I have considered to be bearish for Bitcoin. This is the line in the sand. The 50-week moving average is the last line in the sand here, of course, for Bitcoin. And to give this a little bit more of legitimacy, I want to go back in time once again and show you, once again, just a second, guys, the moment we are breaking below the first time and closing below, right here, of course, we can expect further downwards momentum. But the most important metrics, actually, you can find right here. So Bitcoin held the EMA ribbon right there, but the moment we broke below, continuation of the bear market. And you can check it out yourself. Go over to the weekly candles and you will see that whenever Bitcoin was holding the EMA ribbon on the weekly and not breaking and closing below, we were considered to be in a bull market whenever we closed below though. This was usually the moment we knew, okay guys, we will see at least a few more weeks of chopping around and downwards price action. This is what I wanted to tell you. On the weekly, I am remaining bullish. On the daily, on the 4-hourly, I am very cautious. I'm stepping back from trading. I said that for a long time already. But the death cross tomorrow, please don't treat it as a sell the news event. Don't treat it as some kind of immediate bearish event. It can be bearish in the mid and long run, but it was so far the last 6-7 times not bearish in the immediate short term. Let me know what you think about that down below. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. I think yesterday we got, I don't know, a few thousand likes. The one before actually got like almost 10,000 likes. Let's hit that again, guys. I truly appreciate it. And likes are for me like kerosene for an airplane. I need these likes to continue for you. All you have to do is show me some love, spread the love, go down below, smash up the like button, and I will truly appreciate it and push more content towards you. Today was a little bit more detailed. Today was a little bit more focused on TA, on different time frames, because I really want to make sure that you understand what's happening in the markets. I can see a lot of anger and frustration in the comment section, on other channels, on Twitter and everywhere. I want you to understand what's happening right now, and I want you to stay calm, because whenever you are adding trading to your investment or trading decisions, this is when you are getting outperformed by the market, and this is definitely not what you want to be doing. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Much love to you. Truly appreciate it to talk to you in good times and bad times, and we will see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.